anu prirona Riti Academy bat ke Media Plus kilapan ke buram ya kilangut ki khlur tiewdohmaw jong ka Jylla da ka khusna bakensa ya uba tanbor swear ba daminat J1 khar bat kong Adeline Khonglam. Ya ka jingelang penkup buram la penlong ha susutham auditorium State Central Library Shillong ha ka khat santrik naitung ha ka jingdon lang uba pol lingdo menteri ka sorkar Jylla ha ka ba ulayaro ya kisenjuk bala penlong ya ka nikakam ka badai ban pertu ya usin yang jong kiriu tebet kiba ka imlang saalang kam dakan mausyu. Uba pol lingdo ulah keren bun ki badai ban kentiu ya ka mati thau ha Jylla da ka bala bukti de ki khusna bakerpang na ka benta ka mati thau bat bala penkela kerteng no ya ka SIC PAC sha ka shlam lariti lapen ken mauru ya ki por khna ha ka ba uba pol lingdo uju kende ban sengap iki jingruai jong uba tanbor bat hadien kum usamla nong yalam KSU ulaken mau tempang ya uba daminat J1 khar bat kong Adeline Khonglam ki bala ruai ha ka thup juruai jong kaseng bat menta ka kenti kilayo ka khusnam lapen ko burom ya uba tanbor swear da ka khusnam rana khar kongor bat da ka khusnam Riti ya uba daminat J1 khar bat kong Adeline Khonglam bat kiwe ki bala syapen ko burom na Assam da ka khusnam Media Plus ki baken thop ya u Dr. Naren Hazarika senior journalist editor of Daily Daindin Barta nang Anjana Gojoy advisor ka Doboria Barta Sukleswar Nath ka Usha Moni Saikia ka Alaka Bujar Bora ka Manju Hazarika bat ka Inu Sarma u Sajan Bhuyan
kat banang keren kendiat kat tanang snutenan dengan bat yang pertama idan hang ni ban lek buram bat ban kenmau ban pertu ya usen yang jongki niki kaidor ki jongi bat tanbor swear bat taman wankar kong Adeline Khonglam ngit kini langut mo bat ban kenmau ru ya kerenyang senyang jong ba rana khar kongor. I have always been a huge fan of ba rana khar kongor and know most of his songs by heart. So I'm happy that his grandchildren have followed his footsteps, and I'm sure this is a legacy, the rich legacy that he left behind will continue to inspire and reinvigorate us, because as the saying goes, music washes away from the soul the dust of everyday living. Ba tanbor swear asngap ikijingrai jongpi kumukunarit Syad Kinrem, Sladi yang Belayap Stai are some of my favorites. Mbak Daminat, Wan Khar, Kong Adeline, both of them were part of a musical initiative to celebrate through music the 30th year. Arts and culture as a department, I've always been told that it's a minor department. Today I wonder, I've spent more than half the day engaged in what was called as a minor department. It certainly is not minor. There is nothing more gratifying, more consoling, more a source of inspiration than the arts. And music has that ability. The sublime art of music has that ability to not only arouse passion, but also to connect humanity. I was Thailand recently and listening to a piece of music that was played in the background, which takes me home because it has all the elements of a traditional Khasi song. Therefore, the synergy that we can provide through arts and culture, tourism and textiles is wondrous. Friends, Frederick has highlighted some of our initiatives. We're going to take the art to a level that has never been done in the past. We started off with the International Film Festival here as soon as I took over as Minister in Charge, Arts and Culture. And yesterday there was a panel discussion at what has been known all along as SICPAC, the Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. Upon chancing upon that name, the acronym SICPAC, I said, let's start with this. Why have SIC in arts and culture? It should be a healthy department. So we've decided to rename it as LARITI, International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. In the Khasi tradition, the oral tradition of the origin of mankind, we have the theory, the myth of Ki Khandai Trap and Ki Hinyo Trap, the 7 hearts and the 9 hearts. The 7 hearts are supposed to be us, Homo sapiens, living below, and the 9 hearts are supposed to belong to a divine heavenly family. But when you look at the muses and how the Greeks defined the muses, the 9 muses represent the 9 arts. And the Khasi concept of Khandai Trep, 9, Khandai meaning 9. Khandai Trep itself would connote that above humanity are the arts, the 9 arts which are heavenly. Take away art from earth, just just remains. It becomes meaningless. So the earth without art is meaningless, futile. We're here to celebrate this collaborative effort, the initiative of Ba Arafel, along with Anupreron Na, Mr. Saikia leading the group. Probably one reason I turned up late is that I wanted the hall to have more attendees. I think it has improved. It's been a full day of arts and culture because right now as I speak, there is an ongoing panel discussion on the 8th schedule and the inclusion of Khasi in the 8th schedule, which was also reflected in Kong Adlin Kong Lam song just a while back.